If you own a local business,
Every missed call is a
every
potential
missed
customer
call.
choosing your competitor. It doesn't matter how good your work is, if nobody answers the call, someone else gets the job.
Hi, I'm Sunil and I build AI voice agents, chatbots, and automations for local businesses. These AI agents answers phone calls 24/7, have natural conversation with your customers, answer common questions, qualify leads, and even book appointments directly into your calendar. They are designed to help businesses capture more opportunities they would otherwise miss. This channel isn't about high hype or flashy headlines. It's where I document what I build. I'll show you real AI voice agents, chatbots, and workforce behind them. You'll hear how they sound, see how they work, and learn how businesses are using them to save time and serve customers more efficiently. The best part is you don't need to understand AI to benefit from it. You don't need to know how prompts work or how different tools connect together. You just need a system that answers every customer, books more appointment, and gives your team more time to focus on the work that actually grows the business. Over the next few videos, I will be sharing real demos, behind the scene builds, client style projects, and practical tips that every business owner can understand. If you are curious about how AI can help your business, or if you are simply interested in seeing what's possible, you are in the right place. If you would like to see what an AI receptionist would look like for your business, there's a link below where you can book a free demo. And if you enjoy learning practical AI, do subscribe. I've got a few exciting builds to share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.